Hey guys, Matt from Matt's Fishing here. Just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys something with a warning. So, when you're having somebody do body work on your fancy fishing boat, make sure you check the reputation of that person out. So this is the 620 tiller I just recently purchased. And as you can see, it's literally, see that? It's just flaking off. And what that is it's the clear coat. So underneath, you can see the clear coat's missing here in that area. Underneath that, I can't quite feel the flake yet, but I can tell it's well worn. You know, the boat is an older boat. It probably was getting close to the point of needing some attention. And the previous owner had somebody who worked on fiberglass. See how cloudy this is? Isn't that crazy? What this particular person did is they sprayed the boat with automotive clear coat. And what happens, and I don't know the terminology, I'm not a body shop guy, but I can tell you that automotive clear coat does not work on a fiberglass boat. It will look absolutely gorgeous for about a year, maybe two. See it up there in the top cap? And it's literally, it's just flaking off. It's fine underneath there, but this is what happens. This was done, I think the previous owner told me 3 years ago. And now the entire boat will need to be stripped down and sanded down and re-clear coated. Not the end of the world. Doesn't hurt the functionality of the boat the way it sits right now. But to bring her back to her former glory, that's what needs to happen. Definitely not a project for this winter. It sounds like a project for next winter. Anyway, guys, hope somebody finds this helpful. Like I said, do your homework. Make sure the shop you bring your boat to is got a good reputation with working with fiberglass materials, not automotive. All right, guys, have a great evening. Keep your rods bent. Signing off.